the natural, everybody does a side step to the left into the line of dance, which other people are at. We want to go the other way, so we have room. So instead, we go back ocho to this side here, because we want this position. This position is what we're doing all today. So from this position, it's important to know where your hand placement is. My hand placement is going to shift because I want her to come into me here.
For me, it's same. My left hand is going to shift to his shoulder blade to his neck. Every time.
And then we're going to have this walk that's nice. You can time it to the music if you want to. You can slow it down. That's how you know if you have the technique right. If you can slow everything down and do it at a different pace. And remember that internally, inside, I'm using my core and my embrace to kind of create this ocho-like thing. But it looks, I want to make it linear. So I want to hide that. Right? I want to hide that. So I'm very subtly pivoting her internally like that. But it looks like this. Right? Which then we lead to something that kind of looks like that, but it's not really rotating. I'm side-stepping with her and then going into her forward. And then making her go side and then forward, side, forward, side. So then we have this kind of thing that we can do in the line of dance. And remember, it's all about the axis. I'm finding this strong point here all the time until I wait for her to get to that position, to that position. And then for me, I'm trying to always be strong. Right? That's how I can embellish, because I know where my axis is, right? See, this is not about the free leg. Here.
For me, same. Every time I'm thinking on my axis too. On my right, on my left. On my right, on my left.
And then from here, if you wanted to, we can play, instead of going around her, I can go inside of her. And it looks like a saccata, but know that I'm taking her place not with the free leg, even though you see the free leg go inside. It's the standing leg that I use to enter, right? That I push, move my embrace inside, and then I let her land to the right of me, here. And then from here, you can do whatever you want to. Remember, you can make her go left like this, or you can make her go around right. Either way, it's all good, right? So I can make her go across, and then we can do something like this if we want to. It depends if you want to go left or right. So there's many different figures out that position, but that's just a position for another day. Right? So then we have that, and then I want you to think about this position too. We can slow things down as long as I know where her axis is. I could be split foot too, both weight here. The only thing that matters is she's on one. She's in this position, the position we talked about. And then we can slow things down. I can make her do vallejo. I can make her do here. I can be subtle, and I can shift her off her pivot and create this. Right? This is created. This is not her doing it on her own. She's led. This is a lead that I'm leading. Here. We have that. And all this can be done to music. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.